This actually Alienware 17 is actually graphics at 970M NVIDIA graphics. So we are put input the amplifier, graphic amplifier. That's mean we are choosing anything as a NVIDIA graphic card, but we are choosing like a Titan X. It's a more volts, most expensive graphic card. And so this one see that frames that are coming off. See, these are really amazing, pretty good. And actually they wanna play in the 4K resolution, but in the resolution of 1080p display, so I couldn't play in 4K. So now I have to buy separate laptop or something. Anyways,
monitor.
Something any monitor or anything. But we are just for this anymore. Yeah, one see that look at the plate. See, the graphics RAMs were the most expensive for gaming, and it's very advanced graphics in the way the playing games. Mostly it's mean about the NVIDIA games like Tomb Raider, Rise of the Tomb Raider, and lots of Dying Lights. And if you connect to the AC input converter, it's more give the graphics, because when you normally connect to the plug, they are asking the AC input. Did you mean you have to play in high graphics, maximum graphics? Just connect to the AC converter. That's me. It's not a tough, easy to connect. And okay, this is actually playing the GTX 5 in ultra settings. Once go to settings. Yeah, he did. See, once go to graphics, look at all in ultra, because of Titan X can convert the NVIDIA graphics, more graphics in 1080p. It's coming 95. It's mostly maximum it will come 110 or 110. Yeah, obviously
120
yeah, pretty good. It's a very silky smoothie. Look at the check out Titan X. It's more getting evolution.
టైటిల్ నీకు దియొస్తా నాకు దియొస్తుంది నీకు నాకు దియొస్తాడు అలవాట్లేదు నాకు తీరా
There's more than 800 million transactions, and look at the fan. The fan is most it's mean cooling fans. Titans.